Here I have NOKIA 7.1 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. At the very beginning, open the upper bar, slide twice to open it, and simply tap on battery saver icon. That's it, since now low power solution is on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the same icon one more time. You can also personalize this mode. You have to open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you have to find and choose the battery, and now go to battery saver. Now you can activate turn on automatically mode, so you have to click on this switcher and pick the level of the battery on which power saving mode will be on automatically. That's it. You can also turn on the battery saver here by tapping on turn on now, and if you would like to switch it off, just tap on turn off now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.